Hi, my name is Ryan Hugler with Landscape Legends. We build websites and do SEO for lawn care and landscaping businesses. I ran a lawn care and landscaping business of my own for 5 years, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how we helped Jacob generate 130 new lawn maintenance clients in 2024. Now, before we get too deep into what we did, I want to go ahead and hand it over to Jacob and let you hear it from him himself.
2020, the end of 2023, I got to about 300 regular customers, but those Google and Facebook ads cost a good amount to get to that point. Of course, some of those are word of mouth, and we used to do doorknob hangers, but kind of upset more people than made people happy, honestly. I think I had my website built in November or December of 2023. By February of 2024, I started kicking butt. Not usually getting a lot of phone calls before in February, but I started getting a lot of phone calls. And in just 1 year, I gained about 130 customers just from the website alone. Finally made the jump. Had you guys build me the website. I didn't have to run Google ads anymore. I didn't even do Facebook ads. I mainly got most of my work from Google alone before. Um, and it paid for itself. I don't have to pay for Google ads in my area at all no more. It just keeps on bringing in work. We had a lot of bigger companies that told us to get a professional website done. It's worth every penny. It pays back for itself, and they weren't lying. Again, I know some friends of ours that have websites, had them professionally made, and they don't work as good as this. I mean, like I said, I'm at the top, so it works perfectly.
So as you just heard from Jacob, he brought on 130 new lawn maintenance clients in 2024 simply just from being found on Google organically. Not paying for any Google ads, not paying for any Facebook ads, just from people searching up for a lawn care company in Quakertown, finding his Google business profile or his website, and requesting services from him. And as you can see, his website isn't anything crazy. It's simple and straight to the point, but it follows the key principles that you really need on your website if you actually want to get results and get clients with your website. So we're going to go ahead and hop over to his website, and I'm going to run through a few things that you need to have on your website if you want to be like Jacob and get found by people looking for your services who have high intent and are ready to buy and hire a landscaping company to get found by those people and help you generate more clients. So, number one, first thing I want to point out is the Google rating. It actually needs to be updated because he's a 5-star company now. But show off your Google reviews. This doesn't really help you get found, but once people land on your website, whether it's organically through Google or through like ads that you're paying for or door hangers or whatever it is, people are going to land on that and right away see you're a 5-star company. And we reinforce that further on down by showing all of the reviews that he's received. Now, the important part here is having the right keywords at the right place. Now, what do I mean by this? When we search, so let's go back here. So we're searching Quakertown, PA lawn care. So Quakertown, Pennsylvania lawn care company. That's pretty much the equivalent of someone searching for a lawn care company when they're actually located in Quakertown. We want to have that same wording or similar phrases in some very key points on our website. So as you see here, lawn care company serving Quakertown, Pennsylvania. That phrase right there tells Google that this website is a lawn care company serving Quakertown, Pennsylvania. And that's because it's tagged as the H1. The H1 heading is essentially just the most important heading or a headline on the website so that Google puts the most weight and emphasis on that headline. That gives Google the most information about your website. So when we have a very specific key phrase like lawn care company in Quakertown, Pennsylvania, Google clearly knows that this is a lawn care company serving Quakertown, Pennsylvania. Now, on top of that, that's not the only place that we put lawn care company in Quakertown. We've also got lawn care company, Quakertown Residents Trust. We keep scrolling down. Quakertown's choice for expert lawn care. It's all in the same phrase. Quakertown's premier service for expert lawn care services. And that's probably all we really have. We probably have it down here a little bit. Quakertown Landscaper for you. A little bit different. It's landscaper instead of lawn care. But the key here is really this H1 and the first couple subheadlines and first paragraph. Having some sort of variation of your town and your main service. Now, this isn't the end all be all. Like there's still more that you might have to do. But Jacob is in a town of, I think it's about 10,000 people. His service area is probably closer to 40, 50,000 people. But with smaller service areas, there's a lot less competition, and this is all we had to do to get him to the top of Google. If you are in a town of, I'm willing to say 20 to 30,000 or less, there's likely no real competition doing what they need to do in terms of SEO to get to the top. It just happened organically, and some bigger companies just have a little bit of a bigger presence online, so Google shows them. But when you are specific with your wording on your website, you can easily get to the top of Google in smaller markets. And quite honestly, that is all we really did. All we've really done is build his website, 5 pages, homepage, services page, about page, gallery, contact, and just made sure that we used those key phrases at the right place. And that is how he got found by people looking for his services. And on top of that, we also made it easy for people to request a quote. So this ties directly into Service Autopilot, the CRM he uses. And then the phone number is also clickable so that you can click it and call right away. And you can also log into the client portal, which I forgot that was up there as well. So as you can see, you don't need anything crazy to get to the top of Google. The main thing is starting off having a user-friendly website that's easy to navigate and easy to request a quote, and having content that is targeting the keywords that you want to show up for. So if you're a landscaper in Tallahassee, Florida, you could change this to something like top-rated landscaper in Tallahassee, Florida, or the landscaper Tallahassee Residents Trust. Something along those lines, and using that phrasing in your H1, in your subheadlines, and throughout your content a little bit. It's like I said, in smaller markets, that's probably going to give you the leg up that you need to get to the top of Google. And then obviously with the Google Business Profiles, it's a little bit different. You need reviews. You need a decent amount of 5-star reviews. But having a solid website attached to your Google Business Profile helps tremendously as well. Now, if you want to get rid of some of the guesswork and have me and my team at Landscape Legends build you a website that increases the likelihood of you being like Jacob and getting to the top of Google and generating hundreds of landscaping and lawn care clients, visit wearelandscapelegends.com, click Get Started in the upper right-hand corner, and you can schedule a time for your intro call. On this call, we'll get to learn more about your business and see if we'd be a good fit to work together. Also, if you want to learn more marketing strategies and tactics that we implement for our clients, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell icon next to it to be notified when new videos are published. If you want to learn more about doing SEO on your own website, check this video out.